So it's getting hotter outside and my kids are always asking for popsicles, always. Like, and then we also have a ton of neighbor kids, and whenever we break out one popsicle, like 20 walk off because we have just a bunch of people who are sharing popsicles. You know, my kids hand them out like it's candy. So I am very excited about this. This was sent to me. This is a little packet of like a do-it-yourself Otter Pop popsicle, which I'm very excited about. So I want to show you how it came. First of all, it has 3 little strips of this. They, I'll show you, pull one out. Oh, it looks like they're all strapped together. Let's pull that off. Okay, a ton. There's like a ton of these. This is just a third of what came with this pack. So this is, it's like a Ziploc bag and it's long. So you can put your fluid in there. Oh, but it looks like this one's actually ripped. So let me grab a different one. Maybe I ripped that just now, pulling it out. That one looks better. Okay, so this is just like a Ziploc bag. You're supposed to fill it up and then you freeze it. And it's like a homemade Otter Pop that you can just use as a popsicle, which I'm thrilled about. Okay, it also comes with this little funnel that will help you with the pouring into the packet, which is great. And I have stuff ready to go, so I thought I would just show you how it works. So this funnel pops out like that. We have this little packet like so. I will say this doesn't feel like super thick plastic, which is totally fine, but I would double check it just to make sure it doesn't have any tears or rips. I think I did kind of snag this one right here. That was on me, not the company, but this one feels, it looks like it doesn't have any holes. So open this up, a little funnel like this. You have your juice, or you could even do a shake or anything like this. This is just electrolyte juice, like a electrolyte lemonade. And you can just pour it in here and just go nice and slow so we don't spill. Let's see if it'll work. Of course, because it will expand, I'm not gonna fill it up all the way. That's maybe good there. And I'll see how that works. Well, it pours really nicely. The funnel is super helpful. I don't know how I would do that without a funnel, honestly. So we'll stick it in the freezer. It'll be ready for consumption in a few hours. And if this works like I think it will, and I think it's gonna be great, it's gonna be a game changer for our summer popsicles. So hope this helps seeing it. I think it's gonna be great. Highly recommended.